Imagine turning on your lights or fan with just a clap, or your phone. No expensive gadgets, just some creativity and a little DIY spirit. Today, I'll show you how I automated my room at home step by step using basic tools anyone can find. Here's the complete parts list: Arduino UNO 5V relay module, HC05 Bluetooth module for wireless control, wiring is quick. VCC and ground from the relay to the Arduino's 5 volts and ground. In one from the relay goes to digital pin 7. The load wire from your fan or light passes through the relay's common and normally open terminals. Keep one wire straight to mains, send the other through the relay. Safety first. Work with the power off. In the Arduino IDE, I start with just 20 lines of code. I set pin 7 as output. Listen for the character 1 over Bluetooth. If the phone sends a 1, the relay flips high, send 0 and it goes low. Simple, readable and perfect for beginners. Now for the fun part. I open my custom Android app, built with Arduino Bluetooth control. Just download in the Play Store. Inventor, but any serial Bluetooth app works. Watch this. I tap the toggle, relay, and the light turns on instantly. Another tap, relay, and off it goes. Latency: less than half a second. Want voice? Pair the phone with Google Assistant routines. I say, "Hey Google, turn on bedroom light." Assistant fires the app in the background and sends the same Bluetooth 1. If you want to make this same project, you can purchase the components, code, circuit diagram using the link provided or comment "Home Automation" and we will DM you the links.